What is inside the jungle? I'm going to find some mushrooms. Oh, did you animal is that? Wow, what's that? Chit, 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 chit. Monkey! Can you say monkey? Monkey can climb trees. Whoa, what is that? Porcupine. Can you say porcupine? Porcupine. Say it again. Porcupine. Wow, what's that? Bird. Can you say bird? Bird can fly. Wow, what's that? Buffalo. Can you say buffalo? What is that? It's a duck. Can you say duck? Say it again. Duck. What is that? It's his hen. The hen lays eggs. Say again. Hen. Listen, what's that sound? Can you say rooster? What is that? It's a goat. Can you say goat? The goat can jump. Say it again. Goat. Look, what is that? It's a cow. Can you say cow? The cow gives milk. Say it again, cow. It's a fish. Can you say fish? Say it again. Fish. Can you say that? Frog. Hey, what's flying? Can you say bee? Look, it's so pretty. It's a butterfly. Can you say butterfly? Say it again. Huh? Hey, it's a dragon fast. Can you say dragonfly? The dragonfly's fast. Look, so many animals. Bird, frog, cow, goat. I love animals. Bye-bye.